If Monday.com is throwing a 500 or 503 error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your boards and keep working. This kind of error is often caused by a temporary server issue, a browser problem, a bad cache, an extension conflict, or even a network or VPN setting blocking the connection. And the good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page and wait a few minutes. Sometimes Monday.com is experiencing a temporary service interruption, and a quick reload after a short pause is all it takes. If the error is still showing, try signing out of your Monday.com account completely and then sign back in again. This can reset your session and fix login-related issues that sometimes trigger the error. Next, check whether a VPN or proxy is causing the problem. If you have one turned on, disable it, and then refresh Monday.com again. Some security tools or routed connections can interfere with the site loading properly. If that doesn't solve it, try switching to a different network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, test your mobile hotspot. Or if you're on a work network, try a home connection. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your internet connection. Another very effective step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then choose Cache and Cookies. Clear the data and restart the browser. Old or corrupted browser data can cause websites like Monday.com to load incorrectly or show error pages, even when the service is working normally. After clearing the cache, open Monday.com again and test it. If the error continues, disable your browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers. In your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn them off. Some extensions can block important page elements or scripts that Monday.com needs to function. Once they're disabled, refresh the page and see if the problem disappears. It's also worth trying a different browser entirely. Monday.com usually works best in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, so if one browser is giving you trouble, switch to another and test it there. You can also open an Incognito or private window from the browser menu and try loading Monday.com again. Incognito mode often bypasses extensions and cache data, so it's a great way to isolate the problem quickly. If none of those steps work, check whether Monday.com itself is experiencing an outage. Go to status.monday.com and look for any reported incidents or degraded service. If the platform is down on their side, there's nothing you need to fix locally. You'll just need to wait until their team resolves it. That's why it's always smart to check the status page before spending too much time troubleshooting your own device. So to recap, if you see a Monday.com 500 or 503 error, start by refreshing and waiting, then sign out and back in. Disable VPNs or proxies, switch networks, clear cache and cookies, turn off extensions, try another browser or incognito mode, and finally, check the official status page. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.